Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Greetings from the Faculty of Economics and Business, Universitas Muhammadiyah, Surakarta. My name is Soepatini, Secretary of the Management Department International Program. It is both an honor and a privilege to introduce to you to the International Program in Management, a program designed to cultivate globally competent, forward-thinking leaders in the field of management. Established in 2010, the International Program in Management has continually upheld a strong commitment to academic excellence. This commitment is reflected in our most recent national recognition. The program has earned Unggul or Excellent accreditation from WAMEMBA and holds a valid ISO certification, affirming the high standard of our academic processes and institutional quality assurance. The program is distinguished not only by its academic reputation, but also by the richness of its learning environment. As part of our vision for internationalization at home, courses are delivered entirely in English by a diverse team of lecturers who hold degrees from internationally renowned institutions across the United Kingdom, Australia, the United States, Norway, Malaysia, and some of Indonesia's most prestigious universities, including UGM, ITB, Undip, and UMS. Moreover, our classrooms are enriched by the presence of international students from countries such as Malaysia, Madagascar, Fiji, Palestine, India, Jordan, and Pakistan, creating a truly global and multicultural academic atmosphere. Students also benefit from engaging with visiting professors from partner universities in Australia, the United Kingdom, and Malaysia, who bring international perspective and academic expertise directly into our lectures. We offer multiple pathways to gain overseas academic experience, including double degree programs, student exchange, credit transfer, and short-term summer programs. The double degree program allows students to complete part of their studies abroad and obtain a dual qualification. In the 5th semester, students might begin a 2.5-year study program at Dong-A University in South Korea. Alternatively, students may opt for 1-year double degree program in the 7th semester at National Donghua University in Taiwan. Participants in both programs are eligible for fully funded scholarship, with covered tuition fees and provide living allowance. Beyond the double degree, students may also participate in student exchange or credit transfer program of at least 1 semester with partner universities in Malaysia and Taiwan, supported by scholarship opportunities from host institution or the Indonesian government. For students seeking shorter international experiences, our summer programs offer intensive academic and cultural immersion over 1-2 weeks in countries such as Malaysia, South Korea, and Japan. Graduates from our international program have demonstrated success both in Indonesia and abroad. Many have secure position in multinational corporations operating in South Korea, Australia, and other countries. Several alumni have established their own successful entrepreneurial ventures, particularly in Taiwan, while others have continued their academic journey, pursuing master's and doctoral degrees overseas with the support of international scholarship. At FEB UMS, we are committed to nurturing a new generation of leaders, individuals who are intellectually enlightened, professionally excellent, and ready to make meaningful contribution on the global stage. We look forward to welcoming you as part of our international academic community. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.